Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add Wise in Upwork. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So for you to actually add Wise to your Upwork, you need to set up your USD account details on Upwork first. So what you need to do here is you first have to ensure that you possess a USD account details. So on Upwork, navigate to settings and opt for get paid. Now from there, choose payment details and add method. Select direct to US bank or USD and set up. So input your USD account particulars from Wise. So from there, validate the provided information by checking the box, and you'll need to verify this by entering your Upwork password and affirm the details by choosing add account. Now, Upwork may dispatch up to 1 or 2 micro deposits to your Wise USD account for ownership verification, and this process may take 1 to 3 business days. So if you must visit Upwork to confirm the received amounts. Now from then on, you're all set. Now you can receive payments in USD from Upwork, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.